everyone? Thanks for joining Online Entrepreneurs. This channel is designed to teach people how to be their own boss online. In this episode, we'll be talking about how you can easily make $5K per month. We're basically going to be running down a simple strategy that you could use to start making money as soon as today. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to offer you guys a free course where you can take this a step further. It's a very in-depth course and it's free. So if you're very serious about making money online, I recommend staying to the end so you can hear about that offer. Now basically guys, whenever you want to make money online, the most important thing is an audience. So you have to find a niche and then you have to find an audience. The audience has to obviously be related to the niche. So first, find your audience. After you get an audience, now there's a lot of ways to find your audience. You can go on Facebook groups. There's groups that are literally compact with people in niches. So you just look up the niche and then you find the group. Join the group and then communicate with the people. You reach out to them, you give them value, and then you recommend products. Now it's that simple guys. You give them value, you recommend products. First, you give them value, and then you recommend the products. The value is everything. You don't buy anything from a company you've never heard of, and they've never given you any value at all. It's just something you wouldn't do. So first, you find your audience, you reach out to them, you give them value, and then you recommend products. Now, Facebook's not the only source. You can use forums, you can use Instagram. You can use a bunch of different social media platforms to reach out to an audience. If you don't mind paying a little bit of money, you can try Facebook ads, AdSense. There's just so many ways to reach out to people online because there's millions of people online every single day and every single moment. Now guys, after you get your audience, so you get the audience and then you got to get them on your email list. Now, I'm pretty sure you went on a website and seen someone ask for your email at least once already. Basically, all they're doing is adding you to their email list. So when you go check your emails, you see that you got an email from whatever business that it is that took your email. So you have to get an email list, guys. It's huge and very crucial to get an email list. If you're trying to go the free route, I recommend MailChimp. Now with MailChimp, you can actually start an email list right off of MailChimp for free. I believe they start up to 2,000 and then you have to start paying. So you can get up to 2,000 people on your list and then you can start paying if you want more. There's also options like Aweber, GetResponse, Market Hero. These are for more advanced business, like people that are already profiting. So once you start profiting, you might leave MailChimp and you might go to Market Hero, GetResponse to give you more analytics on what you're doing. Landing pages. So a landing page is basically that page that asks for your email. They may offer you something for free, so give me your email, get a free PDF, or get a free ebook, a free webinar, get a coupon, or get some tips. Something that I'll be doing in this video is I'm going to offer you a PDF on the most profitable niches that you can get involved with. So you'll click the link, you'll see a landing page. After you sign up, you get the PDF of the most profitable niches to get involved with. It's a simple method, you guys. All this could be, you can set up a landing page in a day easily and start getting your traffic. The way you do it is you want to sell something on the front end related to that product that you just gave for free, and then you want to set up an email sequence. So once you have a list of emails, you got to send them the emails. Obviously, the autoresponders were designed to send it in a sequence that you preset. So basically, a good sequence would be first you get their email, then you give them the free gift. And then you send them an email with some type of value in it. The value has to be related to the niche, obviously, and it also has to be related to what you're about to promote a few days later. So a good sequence is value, value, value. So 3 straight days of value. Then you skip a day, and then you share a promotion. The promotion could be something you're selling or an affiliate product, which is something we're going to get into. An affiliate product is basically when you have a link, and in that link you're selling something that isn't something that you created, but you're getting commission on whatever that is. It's nice, guys. In this episode, we're going to talk about Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels has a free affiliate program you can join today, where you can start getting reoccurring commissions right now. As soon as you get a sale, they give you a link, and you can automatically start getting money. You can start getting paid just by getting people to click that link and sign up. But we'll get into that near the end. Okay, guys, so being an affiliate, like we just said, is selling another business product. It saves you the time of having to create your own product, which is something I'm going to recommend anyway. Eventually, you're going to want to make your own products if you want to start making way more. But right now, we're focused on affiliate. It also says get free car lease. Yes, if you sign up to be a Clickfunnels affiliate and you get 100 people to sign up for Clickfunnels, they will give you $500 to lease a car. So they'll give you $500 a month to pay for a lease of whatever car you want. If you get 100 more members, then it'll give you $1,000 towards a car. It's an unbelievable deal, guys. It's free to start. And what's also amazing is they also teach you how to do it all, which is what we're going to get into. So to be a Clickfunnels affiliate, it's very simple, guys. You click the link in the description, you sign up as an affiliate, and then you can promote the link and start getting paid. It's that simple. And like I said, they'll also teach you. There's an affiliate boot camp. The affiliate boot camp is $997 normally, but it's free right now, guys. If you sign up for this, you can basically get 100 days of quality affiliate marketing training. By the end of the 100 days, you'll have all you need to start making money online, guys. This is a great program to start if you're serious about trying to make money online. Basically, you sign up for this program. I'm going to leave the link in the description. You do the whole affiliate program, and then at the end, you can start promoting Clickfunnels. You can promote whatever you want. If you like yoga, you can promote that. If you like weight training, anything, you can start promoting that. Build an email list and start making a full-time income online, guys. Online entrepreneurs. That's what this is all about. So right now, I'm going to show you an example of a funnel. Now, this right here, if you click the affiliate bootcamp, it's going to bring you to this page. They have a video up front where basically they explain what affiliate bootcamp is, and then they ask for your email. Guys, this is basically what you're going to be doing if you go the affiliate marketing route, trying to get emails. Now, there doesn't have to be a video, but videos convert better than just text. Everybody likes videos more than text. Not everybody, but the majority of the world. So yes, guys, you can sign up for the affiliate bootcamp. It plays a video, you watch it, and then you sign up for the 100-day challenge. It's free, like I said. You can become an affiliate for Clickfunnels. You can get your dream car just by promoting this product that's already made. They give you the promotions, they give you banners, they give you videos. Guys, these are really good salesmen, and they already made the webinars trying to sell the products. You just got to send out the links. The amount you can earn here it's infinite, guys. You can go as high as you possibly can desire. And the good thing about it is you're giving everyone a product that is high value. Like, everyone will be able to take their business to the next level if you help them find this software. As you see, Clickfunnels is $97 a month. If you sign up right now, you get a free trial, to go test it out. But it's $97 a month. And if you're an affiliate, you get 40% commissions of this $97 a month. So that's probably it's close to $40 a month, guys. So if you get that 100 people to sign up, and you're making $40 a month off each person, guys, just do the math, guys. That's a full-time income right there. That's not even mentioning if they sign up for the $297 a month, which basically gives them a lot more. And you know, like businesses that are generating a lot of money, like $297 a month is really nothing for, you know, getting a lot of traffic. Because guys, you can sell one webinar and make that just by one lead. The potential is really infinite, guys. And the way Clickfunnels works is basically they give you a link. This is my link right here, and you promote that link. This is the link for the dream car. They have a bunch of different. This is the link for the 14-day free trial. If you get someone to sign up through your link, you will earn commissions if they sign up. They have something called a sticky cookie. So basically, the cookie is let's say somebody signs up for this 14-day trial. I will also earn commissions on any other product through Clickfunnels that they buy because of the sticky cookie. It's a great deal, guys. So that's about it, guys. I highly recommend doing the affiliate bootcamp. It's free. You know, you don't have to buy anything. You can try Clickfunnels for free, or you know, there's free options like MailChimp. I know MailChimp also helps you. You know, you can build the email list. You can create a landing page. It's not as advanced as Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels, you know, that has a lot more options, a lot more customized options that you can go with. But you know, if you want to go free and you want to make a free landing page, I recommend trying something like MailChimp, and then maybe using MailChimp to promote Clickfunnels. You know, as you see right here, they got a bunch of banners you can use, and in the banner, guys, they have your affiliate link, which is amazing. So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in to Online Entrepreneurs. Please like this video. Please subscribe if this is something that you're interested in. We're going to be making a lot of videos on different methods and different techniques to make money online. Thanks for your time.